I hear something before I see it. It sounds big and busy. I cross the sandy beach on Baba's shoulders. Mummy carries me on her back, across twisty jungle path. Everyone seems to be going the same way. Maybe something special is waiting there. I hear something new. Whoosh, whoosh. I can't see it yet, but it sounds like it's breathing. Maybe the place is talking to me. Oh, there it is, so wide, so shiny, so busy. Up I go. Now I can see everything. The sea looks endless from here. Like a big blue blanket that never folds. The wind brushes my cheeks. I lean forward to look again. It keeps moving, like it's playing with itself. I watch, and forget to blink. Little streams run across the sand. They hurry past us. I follow them with my eyes. Where are they going so fast? Maybe they're late for something important. We go up, step by step. The sea peeks at me through windows. The chairs are quiet. The tables are resting. Everyone looks tired after a long day with the waves. The road is colorful here. Some shops are sleeping. Some are still awake. I see shiny things. Fishermen stand near the water, trying to catch fish patiently. Beside us, a dark rocky hill rises up. It looks old, like it has many stories. People are trying to reach the summit of that dark rocky hill. I lose one of my sandals somewhere.
चप्पल खोइ भाइ अबु चप्पल खोइ चप्पल खोइ चप्पल
आराम से आ जाओ इधर से स्लिपरी है.
Now the road becomes smaller. I ride on Mama's back.
बाप रे, ये नीचे का पानी भर गया ना, उसके लेना तो स्ट्रेट रोड है नीचे से. वो देखो उधर से ही. आपका गोवा में ट्रैकिंग भी हो गया. हाँ हाँ वही. नहीं ऐसा रोड था ही नहीं पहले, एकदम स्ट्रेट रोड था नीचे से. नहीं ऐसा ये रोड ही नहीं है नीचे से समुद्र किनारे. पानी भर गया ना इस बार.
Her steps are steady. The path turns, goes down, then turns again. Trees lean in close. The air smells fresh and cool. This feels like going inside a secret.
वो काटा है इधर. उधर काटा है. Zoom.
We come out into open light. I know we reached somewhere special. The air feels calmer here. Like the sea is smiling softly.
एक्चुअली ना यहाँ से रोड है पूरा. फोन पकड़ो. हाँ इधर इधर तक आएगा. यही है स्पिरिट ऑफ शिवा. ये अभी अपना पूरा बीच अपना है ये. और यहाँ पे लेक है, स्वीट लेक. नहीं पूरा साफ.
Now I'm free. I laugh. I talk. I explore. This room feels safe. Outside, I still hear the waves. But they sound far away now. I look outside. The sea is still there. Still moving. Still shiny. It waited for us. The waves jump and splash on rocks. Again and again. They look like they're playing a game only they understand. Mummy takes me closer. The water reaches us. It touches, I feel the splash. Cold, ticklish, surprising. I look around. Is everyone seeing this? I touch the sand. It's soft. It sticks to my fingers. I make lines. I pat it gently. The sand listens to my hands. I hold Mummy's and Baba's hand and we watch the sea together. We walk slowly. The sea walks with us too, never leaving our side. The sky starts changing colors. We sit together. I rest. I watch. The waves sound slower now. The day feels quiet. I lean back, warm and sleepy. A small flag stands in the water. It moves with the wind, like it's waving goodbye to the day. The light fades. The sea keeps whispering. I wanted to play more, but today was for reaching. That's okay. Tomorrow, I will play. Thank you for watching this vlog. Stay tuned for the next one. And please like, share and subscribe to Prasad Uncle's channel.